Okay, part 2, making sauerkraut. So you can see that I've shredded the cabbage, and I'm going to also do some crossways shreds so that it makes it even easier for my hands to massage this cabbage. Now, as I said to you, time permitting and all that, and up to you and everything, you can do this in a shredder. I like to do it. I like to go and fetch my cabbage from my biodynamic vegetable garden, and I like to then bring it from the farm to the table. It's loaded with vitamin C, and once we've made the sauerkraut, the vitamin K concentration is very high as well, and also all sorts of other vitamins and minerals in addition to the bacteria, fungi and yeast that grow. Alright, and this cabbage has got its own microbial cloud. As I said earlier, it has its own microbial cloud, and me touching it and massaging it, it's reading those microbes, not the cabbage, the microbes are reading my excesses and my deficiencies. So now we get our bowl ready, and you saw the size of that big cabbage. This is only 1/4 of that large cabbage. So I'm going to show you how to make it quick and easy, inexpensive. That large cabbage, yeah, it's going to make 2 of these. So it's actually 20 times the price in the shop, and it doesn't have it's not medicine for you. So here is the cabbage, and this is what we're going to get busy with in a moment. But just before I do that, I'm going to add some caraway seeds. Very good for the gut, very good for digestion. I'm going to add some turmeric as well. Very good for the gut, very good for the digestion. I'm going to have yellow hands for the rest of the day. So now we add this, and what we do is we add Himalayan salt. Why Himalayan salt? Why pure salt, pure uniodized salt? Is because we have the full complement of minerals. It's a whole food. It's a whole, it's in its whole state. This is the Himalayan salt. Right, now we've added it. Now I've got a choice. I can mix it in. I would put about a tablespoon of salt to this. If you make it too salty, it's not serious. It just tastes very salty. And now, sometimes I leave it for 20 minutes and come back, and the salt has already gone into the leaves and made it very soft. Other times I will actually just get busy and start squeezing my sliced up leaves. Right now I'm going to leave it and come back. I'm going to just leave it here for a while, cover it, and come back a little bit later, and my job will be a little bit easier, but it's also part of the process. So I'll see you for part 3 in a moment.